Hello everybody, it's Colin here, and today we're doing another walkthrough, and this time it's going to be the ClickDealer affiliate CPA network, which we're going to have a look at, and it's actually a GTM group company, so they say. So everybody having a look at the screen, they have a nice little animation on their homepage, set your business in motion, and they have a little bit of information. So their top verticals are sweepstakes and vouchers, e-commerce and retail, dating and social, gaming and social casino, mobile subscription, and software and utilities. The company is actually located in the heart of Amsterdam, the Netherlands, where I'm from. That's funny. But I actually have not run anything with them before. So as you can see, this is the affiliate dashboard. It's completely empty, zero, my local time, my name, Colin Dijs. And this is the metrics. So if you would be running traffic, obviously here it would say your clicks, your conversions, the accumulated events, the revenue, and your average earning per clicks. I would imagine that a nice graph would form here, and you can select how many campaigns you want to see down below. What you can do is you can select different days on which the data can show. You can apply and clear, and you can even put that all away. So their interface is quite basic. Your affiliate manager is down here below. It's not that much information, only an email address apparently. I also have her on Skype, but she added me, so apparently there's no way to add them. If you have other affiliate networks, usually there's a phone number and a Skype handle as well. But for this platform, ClickDealer, apparently only an email address. But there is one very interesting thing about ClickDealer, which I'm going to show you a little bit later. It's loyalty. They have very nice gifts. But let's first have a look at their offers, because that's one of the most important things. So once you click offers, you can browse, you can watch my campaigns, pending campaigns, new offers, featured offers, the ones you've recently viewed, rotators, meaning you can set up your own rotators and you can request an offer. Let's just browse. So what I noticed when I was first looking around in this network is that all offers are request to run, meaning they are not pre-approved. What I did notice though is that they have tons of the old school, you can already see it here, one-click offers, two-click, tier 3 countries, tier 2 countries. Some platforms, usually the smaller ones, focus on tier 3, but I really like the fact that ClickDealer actually focuses on these countries as well. As you can see, the payout in those countries are really low. However, there's usually very little competition and tons of volume to go around. So that's pretty cool. Let's just see what countries they offer. So this is the most used countries. As you can see, Australia, China, interesting. Germany, Italy, Norway, South Africa, also interesting. Indonesia. So basically, I've run all these geos except China. So China, I think is quite interesting. Let's just have a look at what comes up. So should we do clear? No, we just press this, and then what? We press this. How does this even work? All right, so we do China. Yeah, all right, so, oh, then you have to click apply, sorry. Yeah, so you click apply, and it's only smart links, some ref share offers. But as you can see, the interface is quite formal, quite corporate. This is the case, I think, because they have tons and tons of offers. If we just run everything, so clear, apply, let's just see how many offers they actually have in total. I think there should be a lot. So this is, it doesn't even show, that's page 1. Let's just see if we can get to the last page. Oh, here, entries, 25 films. So they have more than 6,000 different offers, which is obviously super crazy. You've already seen their most dominant geos. Let me just grab them again here. They are sweepstakes and vouchers, e-commerce and retail, dating and social, gaming and casino, mobile subscription. So basically this would be sweepstakes, pin submit, cash on delivery, e-commerce kind of offers here, rev share, AliExpress, dating, you know how that works, gaming and casino, social casino, I don't know what that means. I think it's just casino offers. They usually have good payouts. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. The countries, the flags are for the different countries. I don't know, if you hover over them, it doesn't tell you which offers they actually are, so you gotta remember the flags, unfortunately. And when you click on it, you can see some more information. $480 payout, yeah, it's crypto. And it's on a deposit anyway. So yeah, when you look here, the platform, they give you some information, what is allowed to run, and then usually your affiliate manager can give you some more information. When you go to My Campaigns, that is actually where you find all the campaigns that you are running and you're approved for. Pending campaigns, everything you would ask apply to run, and your affiliate manager has to apply you for. The new offers is usually what they have added to the database in the last couple of days / weeks, if they even allow me to have a look there. I'll also just move on to the featured offers, because that's fine too. So the featured offers, they usually feature this for a reason. You will find the reason why in their newsletter, or once a week my affiliate manager, even though I'm not running anything for them, she sends me the hottest offers of the week. So these are probably included in that schedule. The nice thing I like about ClickDealer though is that per vertical they actually send you the trending offers. So a lot of networks just send you the top 10 and they might be all adult or they might be all dating. It's not that useful. ClickDealer actually gives you top 20 in sweepstakes, top 20 in crypto, top 20 in wellness, and that actually is very nice. So you can just pick your own vertical and look at those specific offers. Well, recently viewed rotators, and to request an offer you can just put in the information from a different network and they will contact you to see if they can make it for you. That you would do if you run everything with ClickDealer and only one campaign with a different platform. So when we go to the report section, this is basically very common. Daily summary, all the information you did for traffic this day, campaign summary, different campaigns, different images, sub-affiliate IDs, the rotation summary, different events for e-commerce if you've set it up, a conversion report and a total click report. But then there is the loyalty, which is one of the most interesting aspects. Basically, for all the revenue you earn, you also earn points. And with these points, you can spend them on all kinds of things. For instance, this DeLonghi coffee machine, trip to Thailand, trip to Maldives, an Apple iMac, MacBook Air, massage chair. Let's just see what's interesting. Ski trip to Switzerland. Ooh, Oasis of the Sea. I think that's the biggest cruise ship in the world, right? Chocolate fountain, if you're into that. But as you can see, they have a lot of gadget, electronics, PlayStation 4, and they also have a lot of gift cards and trips. So yeah, man, like if you do some good revenue with your, well, if you're a solo entrepreneur by yourself or else with your agency, you can buy some nice gifts for yourself or your employees by having this. The only thing I couldn't find so quickly was how many points do I get? I don't think it's 1 point for $1. Maybe it's 1 point for $10, because if it would be $1, like you only have to do 2,500 in revenue to get a vape kit. I don't really see an FAQ here somewhere. Tutorials, that's PDFs. I just check that out. But like, I will drop in the comments how this actually works. I will do some research, but this is really cool. Look at this, affiliate world ticket to Barcelona. That's amazing. Disneyland Paris, man, I love this. I love when networks do this. It's so small, it doesn't do much, because you have to get like thousands and thousands worth of revenue to even get probably like 10 points. But it is more than other networks give, and that's why I like it. So when you go to billing, it's all your payment information. I don't know the specific terms, but I think they pay net 30 normally. You can get weeklies, and they even make custom deals. So once you show them what you can do, they will give you specifications on what you're actually able to get from them regarding the payment terms. They also can pay by wire, PayPal, but she wasn't really very clear on what you can expect from them. But the GDM group is very, very big, so I would assume they offer you all payments method available. When we go to tools, you can place a postback URL here. So everybody who doesn't know how a postback works, go watch my video on postback URLs. You can set up specific alerts when you hit caps, for instance, approaching conversion cap, which is very important. Obviously, you don't want to go over your cap and not be able to get conversions that way. You can set up specific domains. They have a general API. They have an e-commerce toolkit, which you can set up for specific e-commerce offers like product info, check order status, which is quite interesting. And they have a referral program. So if you have any friends who like to join ClickDealer, you're going to get 2% of their 6-month revenue, which is not a lot, but it's more than nothing. So for every referral who signs up through your link, you get 2% of their revenue. And I'm looking for friends, so I'm going to put this referral link of mine inside the description of this video. And if you're interested in signing up for ClickDealer, you can use my link, and that will help me out a little bit. Perhaps if you're actually doing any revenue in these 6 months though. So you can find that in the description box, and then they have the tutorials. So basically what that is, it's like 3 PDFs in different languages, which tell you a little bit about CPA and a lot about how their platform works. If you would go over these manuals, or like one manual, because it's only you can read in one language, you can basically get on a call with your affiliate manager as well and ask all your relevant questions if need be. But that's basically what ClickDealer has to offer you. So basically they offer all offers in dominant verticals. They have tons and tons of geographical locations, even tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So that's quite interesting. They are very strong in sweepstakes, casino, as you've said, which were actually like these verticals. And then what is very important, they have a very specific loyalty program, which is quite interesting. I've shown you around, and I will give the specifications in the description box as well. So this was all my information for ClickDealer. I don't have a lot of experience with them, so it was quite a quick video, but I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the description, in the comment section. Not in the description, that's only for me, in the comment section. Because then I'll check it out and answer all your questions you might have. Even if I found out some more information, I will put the updates in there. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more affiliate marketing videos, because I will have tons and tons coming. Thank you for your time, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.